So guys, to factory reset your Dell laptop or computer, you just want to head over to search and then you'll type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now, next to reset this PC, you want to click on reset PC. Now, before you reset your computer, I do recommend backing up all your files to a separate drive such as a USB or external hard drive. Now, once you've done that, we have a few options right here, such as keep my files or remove everything. If you click on keep my files, it's going to remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. And if you click on remove everything, it's going to remove all your personal files, apps and settings. So it's up to you which one you want to go with. You could also click on help me choose right here. They might give you some options that will help you decide. Now for this tutorial, I'm just going to go remove everything. And now you could either go with a cloud download or local reinstall. It doesn't really matter what you go with, but I'm just going to go with a local reinstall. And again, if you're not 100% sure what to choose, you could click on help me choose and it could try to guide you in the right direction and you can pick. So I'm just going to go with local reinstall. And you want to click on change settings. And now we have a few options here. So for example, you could just leave it on default if you want. Or you can click on yes right here and then this will change. So it will clean the drive. This may take hours, but it will make it harder to recover files. So this is probably like if you want to sell your computer. So it's up to you what you want to go with. Or you could just go with no, it will just remove your files. This is quicker but less secure. It's up to you. You've also got this option from reinstall Windows from this device. You can do yes or no. And you have this option right here called delete files from all drives, which will delete all files only from your Windows drive. You could either select no on your Windows drive, or you can select yes for all drives. It's up to you what you want to go with. If it was me personally and I wanted to remove everything, I would just select yes on everything. And then I'll click on confirm. You could also see the list of drives that will be affected. And once you're happy with all this, click on next. And now it's going to start resetting your computer.